Get more customers with our website offer. Hey there! Are you struggling to get more customers for your business? Do you want to increase your online visibility and reach a wider audience? Well, AdStaker has a solution for you. AdStaker is designed to attract and convert visitors into customers. Your website will get views. AdStaker is a unique, built from scratch, first of its kind stake-to-earn advertising platform. AdStaker is the ideal platform for promoting your NFT sales, crypto affiliate offers, investments, BizOps, MLMs, and more. The only way to earn staking rewards in AdStaker is by first purchasing and then staking our in-house token 𝗪𝘓𝗏𝗧𝗪 and viewing some ads. Only 10 advertising views per day are required to earn the maximum token rewards for the day. Each day you view a minimum of 10 ads. You will earn our maximum daily staking reward, which will be a percentage of the total amount you have staked. Staking rewards are variable, and we hope to offer 1% to 5% per day on average for as long as possible.